Hey guys, what is up? It's Ash the Cat, and today I'm installing the rear diffuser that was sent to me from Import Image Racing. I'm so thankful. You guys, this installation took me 2 days. I'm slowly realizing that it is okay to take a step back from an installation and take a break and come back the next day. And that's exactly what I did with this. I'm taking everything out of my trunk, and let's move on to the 2 rubber grommets in the trunk. Now these 2 guys can pop out, and I did check with Import Image Racing before installation that the screws actually do go through those. I saw a similar installation on YouTube by Scooby Freak 86, and I reached out to him. These brackets don't come with the part, but I thought I would use them for extra stability like he did in the video, but I actually didn't use them. If you need them, I got them off Amazon. I'm using my electric drill to go right through the rubber grommet, so when the screw goes through the diffuser, it'll be able to go through the rubber and I can secure it on top. Please remember that patience is key. This is edited down for the video, but I had to go underneath the car a lot, you guys. Here is me doing it this time, and then this time, and this time again. So things take time. So I am using my electric drill to make a couple of the holes a little tiny bit bigger for the rear diffuser for the bolts to go through. And I was a little scared doing this part, not gonna lie. I have to say this is the part that took the most time on both days, is getting the rear diffuser bolt through the rubber grommet and then securing it. I felt so accomplished once I got it. Again, if you have an extra set of hands, it goes quicker, but it was a thrill doing this by myself, honestly. Like, I can't even lie. Those are the screws that I use. Guys, I keep saying screws, bolts. I'm interchanging it. I'm sorry. I can't with myself. This installation honestly taught me a lot. It taught me a lot of patience, and it's basically just going underneath the car and in the trunk multiple times to make sure that you're getting everything aligned and everything is going through correctly. Now the last part of it, we're taking 4 black screws and going through the diffuser, through my diffuser spikes. I don't know if they're called spikes, that's the name I'm calling it. So just making sure that the diffuser is properly drilled and mounted. The worst thing you could have is this baby flying off in traffic. So I'm just taking my time and using my electric drill to push the 4 screws in to make sure the diffuser is tight. You can see that was my little happy dance because I was like, oh my God, it actually worked. When things work for me, like I get hyped. Even small things like this, like using an electric drill. And you can see this rear diffuser is not going anywhere, you guys. I'm gonna clean it. It's gloss black, so I just wanna wipe off any fingerprints and also kind of just give my trunk area a wipe down since I've been working on it the past couple days. And that's it, you guys. I'm gonna put everything back in the trunk, nice and slow, take my time. I was so excited to get the car out of the garage so I could look at it in person in the sunlight, and I just end up crawling in the trunk because I was happy, you guys. I was like on a high after installing that after 2 days. It felt amazing, and I was so stoked about it. I couldn't wait to show you guys and just see what it looked like in person. So let's go.